one pizza too many. Cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. One pizza too many cooking and unboxing videos, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do real nice chips, french fries, steak cut chips, however you want to call them, in the Ninja Foodi. And we're going to be using the pressure cook function and also the air crisp function. Dead simple, but one you're going to keep coming back to. Now make sure you head over to Ninja Foodi World Facebook page, which I run. Make sure you say hello on there. You can add all your pictures, recipes and ideas too, and also make sure that you are hitting that subscribe and notifications bell when I release a new video. Now let's get into the actual cooking side of things. So what do we need? First of all, we need some potatoes, and look at the size of these bad boys. They're huge, big as my head. Okay, we're going to need some oil. I've chose sunflower oil today. We're going to need 250 ml water for the pressure cook and some salt and pepper, and that's it. Really simple. So let me bring you in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing and what I'm doing with the Foodi. We have the air crisp basket, which is in the pot. We're going to put that in. We're going to add the 250 ml of water. Next, I'm only actually going to use 2 of these potatoes because they are really big, but we're going to peel them. Now they're peeled, we're going to cut them up. So this way you need to obviously be a little bit careful. So I'm going to cut through just to make a flat edge, and then I don't know about you, but I like sort of thicker cut chips, or as you guys in America would call steak cut chips. So we're just carefully cutting through, and then trying to keep the size quite even. Now, so here's where you could soak these for a couple of hours, draw the starch out, okay, and then air crisp them, which a lot of people do. However, we're going to actually just put them straight in the basket, and what we're going to do is we are going to pressure cook these first for a minute for 2 reasons. The first reason is these are quite big chips, and we want the insides to cook before the outsides get too brown. Secondly, I want a nice fluffy chip. I don't want one that's really too well cooked on the outside and not cooked on the inside. So as you can see, there we go. I'm not going to put anything else in here with this now, so it's got the water and the cooked potatoes, and that's it. We're then going to go on with the lid and lock that on. We're going to go around to seal at the back with the vent, and I'm going to go over to pressure. So function, pressure, I'm going to put it on high, time, I'm then going to drop this down just to, we've got 1 minute and 2 minutes, so I'm actually going to just do this for 1 minute. Okay, and when I press go, it's going to take 5 to 7 minutes to preheat. It's then going to pressure cook for a minute, and I'm actually going to let it sit for 3 minutes to do a natural release for 3 minutes. Then I'm going to do a quick release, so join me then. As you can see, this has now had 3 minutes of natural pressure release after the 1 minute pressure cook. So I'm going to go to the vent at the back, and I'm just going to press, or slide it over to vent. I'm going to allow this to vent. The safety vent at the back has just dropped, so that means it's now safe to undo the lid. So here we go. So twist it off, obviously away from your face. I'm just going to allow all the water to drain back in. And then what I'm going to do is lift the pot out, just give it a little shake, and I'm just going to carefully tip these out because they are quite delicate. And I'm going to drain the water out of the pot. Pot's going to go back in, along with the air crisp basket, and then I'm going to go over with some of this oil. I'm not going to mix them too much because I don't want to break them up too much. And then I'm going to close the lid, and then we're going to put this on air crisp. So we're going to press function over to air crisp on 200 for 20 minutes. We're going to leave it as the normal setting as that, and we're going to see how these look. We're going to give them a little mix round every sort of 5 minutes. Right, we're now actually 10 minutes in, and you see these have just started to sort of go a nice brown colour on some of the edges. That's because we have got it at a slightly lower temperature at 200, not 220. These are quite waxy potatoes, so I'm just being a little bit careful, just moving them about so they don't stick too much, because I want that real sort of fluffiness and to get nice and crispy. So I'm just being careful. So we don't break them up too much. Obviously, if we were just air frying these, we'd do them a little bit smaller, and they would be slightly more robust, so you'd be able to give this basket a good shake. Okay, I'm going to go down with the lid once more. Right, so 1 minute left on the initial 20 minutes, and you'll see these will start to become a little bit more robust as they start crisping up more, for you to be able to even give the basket a shake or move them about. Looking really nice. And again, I'm just being really sort of gentle with these. So they are quite soft and fluffy inside, which is just how I like chips. For those of you that are new to the channel, make sure you head over to the Ninja Foodi 101 video on how to cook a whole chicken with gravy included. There we go. So we're going to close this down again, and we're going to put it back on again for approximately another 5 to 10 minutes. And let's open them up and have a look. Wow. Look at them. They look so good. And Now they've had that bit more time, you can hear how crispy they've gone. And yeah, they're perfect. You can hear them as they're hitting the plate. Really nice. Then we're going to go over with some salt. You've got to have a bit of sea salt or cracked salt on the top. And I like a bit of pepper. So there we have it. Crispy. Listen to this. How crispy they are. But then when we break into it, still really soft in the middle. Perfect chip. So there we have it. From the humble potato to the fantastic chip. I mean, the crunch. These have been sat here 5-10 minutes now whilst I've been moving the camera around. They're perfect. Restaurant quality chips in the Ninja Foodi in less than 35 minutes. Show me another air fryer that can pressure cook and air crisp quality chips like that using such little oil. I don't think you'd be able to. Make sure you do hit that thumbs up if you like what you're seeing, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do subscribe. Say hello in the comments and I'll be sure to give you the heart and comment back. Until next time everyone, thanks for watching. Make sure you do head over to the Ninja Foodi Facebook world, and obviously make sure you're subscribing to the channel. Thanks again for watching. Now, which video are you going to choose next?
One pizza too many.
Go on, press one. Press one.
One pizza too many.